Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best monitor arms you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The VIVO Premium Aluminum Heavy-Duty Monitor Arm is engineered to provide enhanced ergonomic comfort and maximize workspace efficiency, especially for users with larger monitors, including ultra-wide displays. Built from high-quality aluminum, this monitor arm is designed to support heavier screens while maintaining long-lasting stability and durability. It has a weight capacity of up to 33 pounds, and its versatile structure supports monitors up to 49 inches, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including large ultra-wide models. The arm's adjustability is a standout feature. It includes pneumatic height adjustment, allowing for up to 13 inches of vertical movement, along with a tilt range of -45 degrees to +45 degrees, and both 180 degrees swivel and rotation capabilities. These adjustment options make it easy to position the monitor for optimal viewing angles, reducing eye strain and enhancing comfort during long periods of use. This flexibility is beneficial for tasks requiring different viewing distances, such as gaming, design work, or extensive typing. Additionally, the monitor arm is equipped with two 3.0 USB ports, offering convenient access for device charging and data transfer. Integrated cable management helps reduce desk clutter by concealing cables within the arm. Installation is simple with both C-clamp and grommet mounting options, making it adaptable for various desk types. Overall, the VIVO Premium Aluminum Heavy-Duty Monitor Arm combines functionality, ergonomic benefits, and durability, making it an ideal solution for users looking to elevate their workspace setup. The AVLT Dual Monitor Arm is a well-engineered solution designed to accommodate dual monitors, enhancing workspace ergonomics and efficiency. Compatible with flat and curved monitors from 13 to 32 inches, this desk mount supports a weight of up to 20 pounds per monitor and works with VISA mounting standards of 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm, ensuring broad compatibility with various brands and models. It offers users the flexibility of C-clamp and grommet mounting options, allowing it to fit desks up to 3.5 inches thick. With a compact base measuring 5.5 by 4.9 inches, the mount conserves valuable desk space. The AVLT mount provides extensive adjustability, powered by a premium gas spring mechanism that allows height adjustments up to 32.7 inches. This feature, combined with a tilt range of 90 degrees, 360 degrees swivel capability, and arm extension of up to 20.2 inches, enables users to customize their monitor positions for ergonomic comfort, helping to reduce neck and eye strain. The mount's full motion capabilities also support a portrait or landscape rotation, making it adaptable for various tasks. Additionally, the monitor arm is equipped with two 3.0 USB ports, offering convenient access for device charging and data transfer. Constructed from durable metal, the mount is built for stability and long-lasting use. Integrated cable management keeps cords neatly organized and out of sight, contributing to a tidy, efficient workspace. Installation is designed to be straightforward, with several tool-free components for easy assembly. Overall, the AVLT Dual Monitor Arm is ideal for users seeking ergonomic enhancements, flexibility, and space optimization in a dual monitor setup. The Ergotron LX Monitor Arm is a top-tier desk mount designed to enhance ergonomic comfort and improve workspace efficiency. Crafted for both home and professional offices, it supports single monitors up to 34 inches in size and can hold up to 25 pounds, making it ideal for a range of flat, curved, and ultra-wide monitors. Built from polished aluminum, the arm not only provides a sturdy and wobble-free support, but also adds a sleek modern touch to any workspace. One of the key features of the Ergotron LX is its extensive adjustability. The arm incorporates Ergotron's patented constant force technology, allowing users to make smooth, effortless adjustments in height, tilt, swivel, and rotation with minimal effort. It offers up to 75 degrees of tilt, 360 degrees of swivel, and full 360-degree rotation, enabling quick transitions between landscape and portrait orientations. Users can adjust the height of the monitor to their eye level, reducing neck and back strain for an ergonomic viewing experience. The monitor arm also includes flexible installation options with both desk clamp and grommet mount bases, suiting various desk configurations. Integrated cable management ensures cords stay organized and hidden, reducing desk clutter. Compatible with VISA 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm mounting patterns, it accommodates a wide range of monitor brands and models. With its robust design, smooth adjustability, and stylish appearance, the Ergotron LX Monitor Arm is a premium choice for users seeking both function and aesthetics in their monitor setup. The North Bayou Monitor Arm F80 is a practical and flexible desk mount designed for users looking to optimize their workspace ergonomics. Supporting monitors between 17 to 30 inches in size and weighing between 4.4 to 19.8 pounds, this arm is compatible with VISA mounting patterns of 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm, making it suitable for a variety of monitor models. Built from durable aluminum alloy, the North Bayou F80 provides stability and long-lasting performance while helping to free up valuable desk space. This monitor arm offers extensive motion adjustability to promote ergonomic comfort. With a height adjustment of up to 10.2 inches, it allows users to position their monitor at an eye level that reduces neck and eye strain. Additionally, the monitor arm features a wide tilt range of +85 degrees to -30 degrees, a full 360-degree swivel, and rotation options that make it easy to switch between landscape and portrait orientations. This flexibility is particularly useful for shared workspaces, gaming setups, or collaborative tasks. The monitor arm includes an integrated cable management system, which keeps wires neatly organized and reduces desk clutter. Installation is straightforward, with both C-clamp and grommet options provided for secure attachment to various desk types. Overall, the North Bayou F80 monitor arm is a reliable and affordable choice for users looking to enhance their workspace with ergonomic benefits, improved organization, and versatile monitor positioning. The Vari Dual Monitor Arm is a well-designed ergonomic solution for users seeking flexibility and efficiency in a dual monitor setup. Designed to support monitors up to 27 inches and weighing up to 19.8 pounds each, this dual arm mount is compatible with VISA standard 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm, ensuring it works with a broad range of monitor models. With its fully articulating design, the monitor arm allows for extensive customization, enabling users to tilt, swivel, and rotate their screens for optimal viewing angles, which can help alleviate neck strain and improve posture. One of its standout features is the 360-degree rotation capability, allowing for versatile positioning options that adapt easily to different tasks, such as side-by-side configurations ideal for multitasking. The arm includes a tension adjustment mechanism, which allows users to effortlessly move and position their monitors without strain, promoting a smooth, responsive adjustment experience. This design not only enhances ergonomic comfort but also improves productivity by letting users adjust their screens quickly as needed. Installation is straightforward, with a top-mounted setup that includes all necessary tools for quick assembly. Additionally, by elevating monitors off the desk, the Vari Dual Monitor Arm frees up valuable desk space, contributing to a cleaner and more organized workspace. Overall, this monitor arm offers a functional and stylish solution for users aiming to enhance ergonomics, save space, and improve focus in their workspace setup.